This tutorial will teach you about the navigation on the website editor. Navigating to a different page works very similar to how navigating to a different page within your front-facing or live site works. Just click on a link and it takes you right to it. So let's make some changes to the navigation. We're going to click on this button, Edit Navigation, and you'll see that there are 5 main things we can do. We can delete a page, we can add a new subpage, we can disable a page, we can add a new page, and we can sort. Sorting is very simple. You just click, hold the button down, drag it to where you want it to go, and drop. Now if I click Done, you'll see that Before Your Visit is at the top of the page. Let's go back in and move that to where it was before. And let's add a page. Let's say that we want a page called Services. We're going to click Done, and you'll see the Services button appears here. The next thing to do in this process would be to click on the Services link, and you'll see we have a blank page that is ready to be populated. Let's go back to the home page and click Edit Navigation again. Maybe the Services page is something we start but we aren't quite finished with it, so we don't want it to appear on the live site. We're going to click Disable. You'll see this button now go to the bottom of the list. And when we're ready to work on it again, you can click Re-enable and work on it again. For now, let's keep it disabled. Well, let's say under About, we would like to create some subpages. Let's say we'd like to create a page specifically about Dr. Lewis. I'm just going to go click Done, and now you'll see a link appears up under the About section about Dr. Lewis. Again, we would come in here and now create content for that page. The last thing to learn about is deleting, and luckily that's something we would like to do now. You can just go ahead and click on the trash button. And now this page about Dr. Lewis has been deleted. Just click Done, and it's been deleted from the flow. And as always, with any addition to your website, in order for it to be live, you need to click the Publish button that appears in the upper right-hand corner. And in this case, I actually don't want to save anything I've done just for the purposes of this tutorial. You can always click on Revert or Undo, and that will revert back to how the site was before the click of the last Publish button. So that means everything in this session will now be undone, including deleting this Services link, which is disabled right now. And now the website is in exactly the state that we started in. The last thing to discuss when it comes to navigation is social media. So if you'd like to add social media to your website, it's really very simple. Just click the social media link, and then you're going to copy and paste your Facebook, Twitter, Google+, or LinkedIn links into these fields. At the time of this recording, these are the types of social media that we have buttons for. We may be adding more soon. So you may see some differences in the screen on your website. So I've already got my Facebook URL copied, and now I'm just going to paste it into this field and click Save Changes. And now you'll see that a Facebook link shows up on the site. As with anything, in order to save this change, you need to click Publish. And then if you want to see it on your website, just click View Your Site,